Hi Kitty, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a gold bar, so let's get started. First, just following with me, draw a curved line down. Just following with me, connect the line. Draw triangle eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now we have a gold bar. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.